mean, shit, honest with you, man, she's a
bad things, fine as hell, thick as fuck, oh my god, that's my baby, Caroline.
So apparently Wet and Wavy wigs are making a comeback, and honestly, I'm here for it. Like, y'all see this? Get into it. It's giving you blowout baddie on the left and then curly kinky mommy on the right. Period. Y'all know I love switching up my wigs.
Switch my wig, make them feel like a cheating
kind of vibes, okay? Y'all know I play way too much. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Caroline. In today's video, we're going to be installing this wig from Xrsbeauty. Xrsbeauty is one of those companies that specialize in making pre-plucked, pre-bleached, ready to install out the box units. As you can see, this hairline, knots already bleached, hairline is plucked, and it's plucked to perfection, I have to say. And they have this new thing called layer edges, which I first was kind of confused. What's a layer edge? But the layer edge basically just means that like it kind of really mimics your more natural hairline, meaning the hairline has been specifically plucked to kind of mimic a realistic hairline, going from really thin in the front to thicker as it goes deeper in the hairline. This just kind of gives like a super natural edges look, and it's so easy to wear without any like baby hairs, as you guys will see. And then to really sell us on the whole natural effect, they have this thing called the Clear HD lace. And Clear HD lace is exactly what it sounds like. It is super clear, thin lace that's supposed to melt perfectly into your skin to give the whole wet lace look. It's supposed to be better than HD lace, Swiss brown, transparent, all of that. They claim you can wear this wig, no tint, no nothing, and it will melt right in. They were so convinced their lace is so good, they even sent me little samples to show y'all to compare. So right here, I have some Clear HD lace on the left and the transparent laces on the right. I even had to put labels on these because the Clear HD lace was just disappearing into my arm. Right now I'm editing and I can't even see it. So you can see the transparent, she's melting, but not as good as the clear right there on the left. We have a, may I say, clear winner. Okay. Now let's get into this install. And like always, I went ahead and put the wig on, no wig cap, no nothing, just put her on raw. Why am I like this? And honestly, I need to get my braids done because chai, it's not even looking like cornrows, it's just looking like rose. Not even rose, it's just looking like corn, you know? There's no rose. Because honestly, one thing about me, I will get my cornrows done and I'll keep them on for months. Of course I'm washing, okay, months is cap. But I'm gonna keep my cornrows on for a minute until I feel the need to get them done again, which is who knows when. But once I had the wig on, I went ahead and cut off the ear tabs because you always gotta make sure you're cutting the wig custom to your head shape. And to lay down the lace, I will be using my Ebin lace spray. You know her, I love her. It's gonna help me give me a good glueless hold. And for a true glueless hold, this wig can be worn without any product, like any spray, because the lace is so thin. For me, what I feel like makes a good glueless wig is having really thin, good lace that can just melt effortlessly into your skin without any product, anything helping to hold it down. And of course, an elastic band. This wig doesn't have an elastic band in it, but you can easily install one so you can have a good, secure, glueless hold on it. Installing the lace, and honestly it was quite fast. Since the lace is really thin, it just kind of you know, sucks itself onto there. Now I'm just going ahead and using my hot comb to press everything out to make it nice and flat. Never forget hot combing your wigs, ladies. It's a sin, I gotta say it. Always make sure you press out those roots. I'm using my flat iron to kind of straighten the hair some more because it was giving more of a blowed out kind of look than a silky straight fresh press, you know. But I will say, even though I went ahead and straightened the hair, it stayed straight for a moment. But I'm not gonna lie, if you step outside, it's not gonna stay like super bone straight. It's gonna have more of a textured blowout straightness to it. So just be expected to rock the straight texture and more of a blowout kind of look, which is very cute. I like that the hair is lightweight and has some body to it. So it kind of just honestly looks like my real natural hair. Like when I took off this elastic band and showed you how it looked after I straightened it, even though it made no difference. It literally looks like it's my natural hair. Like, come on, look at that. It's giving, that's my hair. That is hers. Like, if you see me in the street and ask me that my real hair, I will say yes, because who am I to tell you no? If you thought it was, it is. I still ended up adding some of my own foundation to the lace to get it to match me exactly. Even though like it's supposed to be clear lace, I feel like it still had like a little bit of the color wasn't perfectly matching. Like, it's melting, but it's not matching perfectly. So a little bit of foundation, that's my exact shade. Here's me just using the wrong shade at first. It was way too light, but I found my foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 356. I love using this. It's a liquid foundation and it's my perfect match. After I ended up doing my makeup, I felt like I wanted the edges on it to kind of like look more natural and give it some, not like full baby hairs, but just kind of lay them to kind of look, just to make it look more natural. I don't know how to explain it. So I'm just going in with some mousse here and I'm just swooping those side hairs in a way that kind of gives them purpose to make it look like, you know, it's more of my hair. And that really took this look to like, oh yeah, that's definitely hers. There's no way that's not her hair. Okay, now here's how she's looking, you know, giving you blowout, relaxer, very cute, very nice. Oh, you're not feeling this look? You want to switch it up? No problem. Get your little spray bottle, spray it down, and boom, bam, you now are hot, spicy, curly mommy. It's giving very much, she's biracial.
She's a biracial girl. She's biracial.
And here's how the hair was looking once it was fully dried on both sides. The curls are really cute, and these curls do stay, so you can wear it like this all day. And if you're ready to give it the straight look, just go ahead and get your blow dryer, blow it out, straighten it out, and you're right back to the nice straight look. Which one do y'all prefer? The blowed out straight look or the short little curly bob? I just really love this wig. I feel like it's a perfect everyday throw on and go type of look. I'm not gonna even lie to y'all, these type of wigs, pre-made wigs, they're perfectly made for you to install out of the box. They do come at a higher price tag. Like this wig, she's pricey, but I feel like you're getting your bang for your buck because you can wear it 2 different ways and it's so easy to install and like effortless that I feel like it's one of those wigs I would say is worth investing your money in if you're a beginner, don't know what to do at all, and you're looking for a great everyday easy to throw and go wig. This is the one for you. Now with that said, we made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching and making it this far with me. And you know the drill, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And happy holidays, y'all.